Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. You are watching RMI 45. इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर करें ताकि आने वाली नई वीडियो सबसे पहले देख सकें।
Global Korea Scholarship 2021 fully funded. The very reliable Global Korea Scholarship Program 2021 is now open. The GKS scholarship was previously known as the Korean Government Scholarship. In 2021, the GKS Korean Government Global Korea Scholarship Program aimed to invite 1,278 international students to study a full-time master and PhD degree programs. There is no application fee required for the GKS scholarship. The Global Korea Scholarship is a fully funded, all expense covered scholarship. All participants from all around the world are eligible to apply for the GKS Korean Government Scholarship. This is one of the top scholarship programs. A wide range of academic field is available. All the Korean universities are participating under this scholarship program. The call is open and you can apply now. The South Korean scholarship is one of the most competitive and top scholarship program in the world. Detailed information about the Global Korea Scholarship 2021 is given below. Detail about Global Korea Scholarship 2021. Country South Korea. Course level Masters or Doctoral or Research. Financial coverage fully funded. Deadline varies from country to country. Scholarship coverage. Korean Government Scholarship, which is normally called the Global Korea Scholarship, is a fully funded scholarship in Korea for international students. All the expenses will be covered by the Korean government. Round airfare tickets, resettlement allowance, 200,000 Korean won, living allowance, 900,000 Korean won, medical insurance, 20,000 Korean won, language course for tuition fees, award for excellent Korean language skill, research support, 210,000 to 240,000 Korean won, printing cost, 500,000 to 800,000 printing cost, completion grant. About GKS scholarship, to provide international students with opportunity to conduct advanced study in graduate program at higher educational institution in the Republic of Korea in order to promote international exchange in education and mutual friendship between countries. Number of scholarship 1,278 international scholarship from 153 region will be provided for graduate, master and PhD degree program. Available academic field. All academic field and major are available under the Global Korea Scholarship by the Korean government for master and PhD. Applicant must choose their major field of study that are only listed in the university information file. Korean scholarship duration. Doctoral degree program 4 year, 1 year of Korean language program, 3 year of the regular degree program. Master degree program 3 year, 1 year of Korean language program, 2 year of degree program. research program 6 month. Eligibility criteria for the Korean government scholarship: hold Korean citizenship, and dual citizenship holder. One who have Korean citizenship and citizenship of another country are not eligible to apply. Age criteria: must be under 40 years of age as of September 1, 2020, born after September 1, 1980. Academic professor who are under 45 years of age as of September 1, 2020, born after September 1, 1975, and hold a citizenship of one of the official development assistant ODP recipients listed in the table below are eligible to apply. Degree requirement: be enrolled in a master program or hold a master degree to be enrolled in PhD degree program. Research program applicants must hold a degree or a level of education equal to or higher than a master degree and must have received an invitation from one of NIED's designated Korean university. Postdoctoral research program must hold a doctoral degree or a level of education equal to a doctoral degree. Applicant who are expected to graduate at the time of applying must first submit the certificate of expected graduation at the time of applying. English language requirement certificate. Deadline: the last day to apply for the Global Korea Scholarship Program 2021 varies from country to country and Korean embassy to embassy of our country. All applicants must check the deadline for application submission by contacting their relevant embassy or desired university directly. How to apply? The applicants need to fill and complete the online application form. To apply for the Korean Government Scholarship 2021, please see the official website of the GKS Scholarship Program 2021.